Namaste and welcome to progress review of charges. Fixed charge is created in respect of specific and identified fixed assets, and whenever a company wants to sell, transfer or dispose of such fixed assets, previous approval of the lender is required, or he has to discharge all the dues before selling the asset. Floating charge is not particular to any asset. It is for the category in general. There, the company or the borrower has the right to sell or transfer in the ordinary course of business. He doesn't need any permission. Both fixed charge and floating charge are secured lending, but fixed charge is given preference over floating charge by the liquidators. Every company creating a charge on its assets, whether situated in or outside India, has to register the particulars with the registrar within 30 days of creation of the charge. The registrar may allow such registration within a period of 60 days if some additional fee as prescribed is paid. Fixed charge, specific identified fixed assets. To sell or transfer, prior approval of the lender is required, or the debt has to be discharged in full first. Floating charge is over a general category of assets, and the borrower doesn't need the approval to sell or transfer such assets in the normal course of business. Both fixed and floating charge are secured lenders, but fixed charge is given preference over floating charge by liquidators in insolvency. Every company creating a charge has to register with the registrar of companies within 30 days. The registrar may even allow a period up to 60 days to file the registration for needful, but an additional fee has to be paid. Where a company fails to register within 30 days, the person who has lent and who is having a charge in his favor, he himself can apply and seek registration of the charge directly. Once the charge is registered, registrar issues a certificate of registration to the company or the person who filed the application for registration of charge. If charge is not created by the company, the liquidator will not recognize the charge, and it is essential that it is registered and a certificate of registration is obtained to be valid with the liquidator. The company, on payment or satisfaction of the charge, shall give intimation to the registrar within 30 days from the date of such satisfaction. Every company shall keep a register of charges in Form CHG 7 at its office, and the register of charges will be open for inspection in business hours to members, creditors, and others. Where the company fails to register, the lender himself may apply for registration of the charge. On registration, the registrar will issue a certificate of registration either to the company or to the person who applied for registration. A liquidator will not recognize a charge unless the lender produces the certificate of registration for having registered the charge. Whenever the debt is settled or satisfied, the company shall file with the registrar within 30 days of such satisfaction intimation to the registrar, who will do the record updation appropriately. Every company shall maintain a register of charges in Form CHG 7 at its registered office, and the register of charges will be open for inspection during business hours. Thank you so much. Thanks a lot.